Yes, tama at totoo, walang perfect marriage. Walang perfect couples. Walang perfect husband. Walang perfect wives. But still, we are in the process of perfection. At kung nais natin to i-resolve yung marital conflict, napakahalaga ng constructive communication. So point number 2 sa ating pillar of purity, there must be a pillar of purity in our words. Tiyakin natin sa bawat salita na lumalabas sa ating labi, ito po'y kontrolado. Ito po'y pinaghaharian. At ito po'y puspos ng salita ng Diyos. Always be constructive, not destructive. Sa bawat salita, may kahinahunan, may kabaitan, kabutihan, may katapatan, may respeto. Sagradong salita. Tandaan po natin, by our words, we will be justified. And by our words, we will be condemned. Because life and death is in the power of our tongue.